let's see how to insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert a hyperlink, we want to go into the Insert tab and click on Link right here, which will open up this window that will allow us to insert a hyperlink into our document. But in order to link something, we first have to set our headings to separate the different sections of our document. Once we do that, we can go ahead and type in our text, highlight it, and click on Link again. And right here, for example, you want to link it to a certain section in the document. Now go ahead and click Place in this document. And that will show different headings that we set. So since this is heading 1, we'll want to link it to heading 1 as well. Go ahead and click OK. And as you'll see, the color will change. Now, what's going to happen if you click that is that it will automatically go into heading 1. You can also link your hyperlink into an existing file or web page, such as a file in your computer or a web page on the internet. That is how you insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. See you soon.